Want to know how to make a move with a woman? Well, stay tuned because that's what we're going to cover in today's episode. What's up, guys? I'm Emily here with emlovz, and a lot of my students want to know how to make a move when they're out and about with a woman, or maybe when they meet a woman in person. So here are my quick tips on how to make a move when the time is right. So let's say you're out with a group of people and you're all having a good time and you're talking to this girl. How do you make a move? Well, first, you want to find a reason to separate her from the group. Challenge her to a game of pool. If they have one of those basketball games, challenge her to a game of basketball. Grab her hand and lead her to the dance floor. You basically want to get her one-on-one with you. Step 2, you want to find reasons to touch her and to escalate touch. You want to gauge her buy-in. Is she interested in you? When you touch her, does she pull away? Does she move away? Or does she lean in? Does she touch you back? Is she giving you signals like she's interested? Is she enjoying the touch? Number 3, at some point, if you're getting the signals back from her that she is interested, she's touching her hair, she's touching you, she's smiling, she's giving you eye contact, she's laughing at your jokes, you want to make a move. So you could either just go in for the kiss. I recommend the 90% that they teach in the movie Hitch. If you haven't seen this, you go 90 and you wait for her to come 10, or you say, I really want to kiss you right now. I wouldn't ask to kiss her. Can I kiss you right now? Because it's kind of weird. But I really want to kiss you right now, making strong eye contact and smiling. If she obviously wants to kiss you back, she's either going to kiss you, she's going to smile and look at you. You're going to know from her body language whether she's into it or not. If she's not, she's going to pull away. She's going to give you signals like, get away from me, you creep, right? But you want to go for it. You want to try and make a move because otherwise some other guy's going to, right? Just be respectful. Really gauge her signals, gauge her buy-in. And for more dating tips, check out my free masterclass below this video.